I'm watching you right.
Let me see now. This is the zombie's name.
What's that? What's that on your picture, Hannah? What's that a picture of?
Zombie's number and zombie's name and zombie.
That's the zombie. What's the zombie's number?
207. And his name is.
Hold your zombie picture up. Let me see. Oh, he looks like a mean zombie.
He is a mean zombie. Look. He has claws.
Looks like your brother.
My brother. Okay. Like a mean zombie.
He has claws.
Where's his claws at? Oh, yeah. You watching Scooby-Doo? Huh? You like Scooby-Doo?
Yeah.
Scooby-Doo and Shaggy always scared, aren't they?
Take a video.
Take a video of Scooby-Doo?
Take a video. And they're gonna get scared of something. Just watch. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. See?
Come here, Ryan. Come over here. Bring him over here.
Watch the moon. Put it up. The moon is coming. The moon. Go down. Go down. Go down.
I don't have to go down. I'm looking at it.
There we go.
See Shaggy and Scooby scared?
Let me see on the video.
Come here with me. Come here.
See?
Ryan. Look, come here.
See Ryan in front of the TV?
Come here, sugar.
See him?
Come here. Look, he's doing that. You know we see. Now come here.
You see Ryan fall? Hannah?
Mama dragging you.
Huh?
See how they do.
All right, have a good day. Say bye, Reese. Say have a good day.
Bye. Have a good day.
Your hands are ice cold, Ryan.
We going to Chuck E. Cheese.
No, we not. Who said we were going to Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
I didn't say we were going to Chuck E. Cheese.
I want to take a picture.
Ah.